Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have another Apple product, an iPhone 15 Pro with a smashed display, and David will do a quick screen replacement for us. So an iPhone 15 Pro opens up by removing these two pentalobe screws on both sides of the Type-C charging port, and you remove it by prying it directly on the side of the display. Make sure it's on the right side because the connectors are located on the left side. We put a pry tool and we put some alcohol through the gaps, and that will soften the adhesive, but this one is just cooperating. It just needs to get fixed. Sometimes iPhones tend to put up a fight, but this one is sick of the broken display that is attached to it. Just opens right up. So I think this has been opened before. You see that J3. I think that's not from the factory. So that may explain the easy removal of the display. So maybe this has been fixed before on a new display or a new camera. We detach the display connector and the battery connector, and then we reattach the battery. So when you detach the battery, that immediately shuts down the phone. We attach the replacement display for testing, plug in the charging cable, let the smartphone boot up, and unfortunately we can show you personal information of the client. So we are going to connect it to Wi-Fi because we are going to have a test of the parts and service. So you restart and finish the repair. So Apple will test if the display is good for this device, but you have to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. So this is the repair assistant. Once you restart it, you will need to continue and choose a Wi-Fi network. It will not work without any Wi-Fi. We're connected to our shop's Wi-Fi, and it's gonna be a long one. Agree to the terms, and the configuring process will run for a few minutes. Display is good. This is a genuine Apple part. So yeah, here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, you get genuine Apple parts for your iPhone 15 Pro. As this is a testament, we run this for you so we can prove that we have genuine sources of parts exactly for your iPhone. You pay us something and we give you the same value. You can buy some parts off of AliExpress or eBay, but here you get the Sydney CBD repair guarantee. David will also give you a limited warranty, of course, for the shop. It's not really extensive, it's limited, but it's good to... This one is good to go. We put back the retaining plate for all the connectors. Apple really has a tidy layout here. We put back the display, we turn it on, test it for the last time. Cameras are working, all the buttons, touchscreen, display, all the hoo-ha is good to go. Next, we apply our liquid adhesive on all sides of display, just to make sure it doesn't fall out while the client is using it daily. So waterproofing, no, not guaranteed on this adhesive, so We explain it to our customers. It's just enough so that the display will not fall off under regular use. But yeah, don't take it with you in the swimming pool. There you go. We're going to press it in. Make sure the clips are all engaged, no gaps on all sides, corners. Make sure you reinstall these two pentalobe screws, and that completes our repair. After this one, we are going to put a free tempered glass over the new display just to give another value added to the customer. But here you go, before and after shot. Look at that state. There you go, David. Thanks and great job. And that's it. If you have any questions on our services, if you have any comments, leave them down below. Follow us for more repair videos. And these are actual repairs that we do here daily in the shop. So if you're visiting Sydney, visit our small shop here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And David will give you a good deal for our repair service. This is tempered glass. This is how pros do it. Yo, one swipe though. Amazing. So that's it for us, guys. Thanks for joining, and take good care. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.